Thinking about starting an LLC in 2025? Whether you're launching a side hustle, freelance service, or a legit business, an LLC gives you protection, credibility, and flexibility. And the best part? You can do it yourself in less than a day. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set up your LLC right away. No lawyer, no confusion. Let's get into it. First, choose the state where you want to register your LLC. If you live and operate your business in one state, use your home state. Don't fall for the hype about Delaware or Wyoming, unless you have a specific reason like privacy or multiple partners. Next, pick a name for your LLC. It has to be unique, and most states require it to include LLC or limited liability company. Search your state's business name database to make sure it's available. Use tools like yourstate.gov or Name Checker. Now it's time to file your articles of organization. This is the official form that registers your LLC with the state. You'll pay a filing fee which can range from $50 to $300 depending on your state. You can file online and in most states and get approved in 24 to 72 hours. Step 4. Choose a registered agent. Every LLC needs a registered agent, someone who receives legal mail on behalf of the business. You can be your own agent if you have a physical address in the state, or use a registered agent service like Northwest, Zen Business, or InkFile. Most cost $100 to $150 a year. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. An operating agreement isn't required in every state, but it's smart to have one, especially if you have partners. It outlines who owns what, how profits are split, and what happens if someone leaves. Use a free template or have ChatGPT generate a basic version for you. Next, apply for an EIN. That's your business federal tax ID. You'll need it to open a business bank account, file taxes, and hire people. Go to irs.gov and apply for free. You'll get it instantly after submitting. Once you have your EIN, open a business bank account. Keep your business money separate from your personal. This protects your liability status and makes taxes easier. And that's it. Your LLC is alive. You're now protected, official, and one step closer to running your business the right way.